thought I'd found a beautiful greenhouse, but it turns out it was hiding a secret. And honestly, this place just kept getting more beautiful the further we went in, because hidden amongst these plants is an actual cafe, which meant cake, obviously.
Ici, c'est l'entrée des serres. On achète des tickets pour aller dans les serres, visiter les serres. C'est pour ça qu'on a ouvert ici. Et sinon, les gens mangent, ils boivent un verre là, pas de musique, ils viennent travailler la journée.
Oui.
C'est calme.
Then things started to get a little strange. Now, I'm not saying this cactus looks inappropriate, but I know you're thinking it too.
I wouldn't want to be a fly in this greenhouse.
It's like a big toilet.
Is there a fly? And I got really scared.
Tell me what you saw, because I know what I saw.
Mom!